AmazingSchoolAssemblies.com, Chris Johnson's Amazing School Assemblies. I want to thank you for visiting my website. Most of the pages on my website talk about the programs that I offer with educational content, but sometimes schools just need to blow off some steam, have a bit of fun, maybe something for field days, end of the year, rewards, family fun night, or even a fundraiser. That's where this program comes in. It's nicknamed Magical Mayhem, and it's my all-purpose just for fun program. I alter the program based on the grade levels of the people arriving. If you're going to have grandparents and parents coming, I have content for them. If you want me to do a program for field days, you can separate it out by grades. I have a different version of the program for each grade level. It's a very fun program, very interactive. We have magic, fun, music, silliness, comedy, completely age-appropriate humor, and it's a lot of fun guaranteed. So now check out some clips from Magical Mayhem.
Hold still, buddy. Hold still. Everybody give it one more laugh. Hold still, buddy. Don't move, buddy. Yes, Constable, everybody is aware of the fact that you're a puppet. No, Constable, nobody thinks that you're a robot. Does anybody think he's a robot? Okay. What do you mean we have to get ready? He's supposed to do that before the show. All right. We have to get him ready. Okay, hang on. Don't laugh. Somebody may let me do this for you someday. All right. Okay, now we got to spritz you. Okay. Left pit. Right pit. Mouth. Other one. Yes, do it. There we go. Good. Now, we have to check, see how he's looking. How you look? You look good? He's very particular about his appearance. Okay, good. So now, Constable Mind Reader, he is going to use this telescope. He's going to find somebody in the audience he thinks is silly looking. Now, once you find somebody